Welcome to Jiangsu Gaokexiu Machinery Company, the automatic coating production line of automobile brake discs, which primarily comprises cleaning, spraying, curing, and rust prevention. With manual loading, put the brake disc into the washer, which automatically cleans and dries. Brake disc into the washer, which automatically cleans and dries, directly conveying the brake disc to a rotary spraying table by a robot. A cover plate transfer machine puts a cover plate on the workpiece and conveying the workpiece into a spraying area by the rotary spraying platform to be automatically sprayed by the robot. The cover plate transfer machine will send the used cover plate to the cover plate washing area. The automatic washer will clean the cover plate and send it back to the transfer area for standby. Once the spraying of the workpiece completes, it is conveyed to the curing area by a robot for curing. Gaokexiu energy-saving curing oven, equipped with intelligent safety system, save 30% energy comparing to other similar devices, alongside with accurate temperature control, guarantees the product quality. The anti-rust suspension chain conveyor line directly passes over the upper area of the unloading port of the curing furnace, thus making the loading and transferring easy. The sprayed and cured workpiece is soaked in anti-rust liquid, unwet by an air curtain, dried and automatically conveyed to the unloading area, then packaged and boxed. The second production line will be put into operation in a later time. 2 production lines will be simultaneously run. The upper and lower parts will remain unchanged in the same working area, which is convenient for workers to operate and transport. Monitoring all production line equipment, all according to the products of Gaokexiu Company. Equipment appearance, performance, parameters, are all from actual data. The whole production line adopts a central integrated control. All operation data are collected and stored. MES interface is reserved for easy tracking of the production process of each product and ensure the quality of products. Gaokexiu Company, with excellent products and quality, will provide you with the best quality service. Gaokexiu is wholeheartedly for you.